What's up guys and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to see your FPS in Fortnite on your PC or on your laptop. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. First what you need to do guys, just open your shop and use my support creator UFO187 and support me in item shop. Okay guys, when you do that, open your profile picture and go to this gear and go to this icon video and scroll down here and you will see advanced graphics. You will see here show FPS, just switch it to on and go apply. Go back on your game and you will see here like me in left corner 120 FPS. And that's it all guys for this video. Next time you start a game you will see it like me in left corner. I see you in the next video and bye guys.